In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create balance sheet in Microsoft Excel. We'll start by opening the workbook you want to use. Once it's open, make sure your sample data is already prepared in cells A1 through B8. This setup gives you a simple structure for entering account names in column A and their corresponding amounts in column B, which makes the worksheet easy to read and calculate. The first calculation we'll create is total assets. Click on cell B4, then type an equal sign followed by the sum function. Your formula should add the values from cells B2 through B3, so enter sum with the range B2 to B3 inside parentheses, and then press enter. Excel will immediately calculate the total assets for you. This is helpful because instead of adding the numbers manually, Excel updates the total automatically whenever the values change. Next, we'll calculate total liabilities and equity. Click cell B7, type an equal sign, and then use the sum function again. This time, the formula should add the values in cells B5 through B6. After entering the formula, press enter. Excel will calculate the total liabilities and equity. At this point, you'll have one total for the assets section and one total for the liabilities and equity section, which is exactly what you need for a basic balance sheet. Now let's add a balance check so Excel can tell you whether your balance sheet is correct. Click cell B8 and type an equal sign, followed by the IF function. In this formula, Excel will compare cell B4 with cell B7. If those two totals are equal, it will display the word balanced. If they are not equal, it will display not balanced. Once you finish the formula and press enter, Excel will instantly evaluate the result. This is a great final check because a balance sheet should always have total assets equal to total liabilities and equity. After that, take a moment to view the result. Your worksheet should now display the total assets, the total liabilities, and equity, and a clear message showing whether the balance sheet balances. If you want to modify the balance sheet later, you can add more asset accounts by inserting additional rows under the assets section, then updating the sum formula to include those new rows. You can do the same for the liabilities and equity section by adding more rows there and adjusting that sum formula as well. And that's it. You've created a simple balance sheet in Microsoft Excel and added a built-in check to confirm whether it balances.